Monstera leaves turn yellow for many reasons, making the problem difficult to diagnose. There are a number of different reasons this can happen, and luckily many can be fixed fairly easily. Here are the 5 reasons your Monstera plant leaves turning yellow. Reason number 5. Poor drainage. Drainage is essential for any houseplants, but especially Monsteras. Lack of drainage eventually leads to waterlogging and root rot. Choosing the right soil mix for your Monstera deliciosa is another crucial factor affecting the growth. The plant prefers well-draining soil that allows oxygen to reach the roots. Repot your plant immediately into a new container with plenty of drainage holes. You'll also need to trim the roots and remove all the soil when the plant has been overwatered. In the future, never choose a container without drainage holes. Reason number 4. Underwatering. When a monstera plant lacks moisture, it becomes stressed, causing the leaves to droop and yellow. You are more likely to see the edges of the leaves turning brown first, with slight yellowing surrounding the brown patches. When there is not enough water in the soil, the plant cannot draw up nutrients or photosynthesis. Water as soon as the top layer of soil has dried out. If it's not too late, it will recover. Reason number 3. Low light conditions. When the light levels are excessively too low or too high, you may notice some yellowing. Monsteras in low light are likely to begin yellowing over time, eventually slowing the growth or stopping altogether. Yellowing will normally start with older leaves, spreading to others if the plant is not moved. Monsteras grow best when placed in bright, indirect light. If low light is the problem, you will need to move your Monstera to an area with bright and indirect light. And the reason number 2 is recent repotting. Repotting is an important part of indoor plant care, but getting it wrong can lead to several problems in your Monsteras. It may also lead to slight yellowing in some leaves if done incorrectly. This disturbance leads to stress that can cause some older leaves to turn yellow. You can prevent transplant shock when repotting by limiting the time the roots are exposed to the air, handling them as little as possible, and watering immediately after repotting to allow the roots to settle. Now, reason number 1. Too much watering. Whenever your Monstera leaves start yellowing, the first place to look at is the soil. If you haven't just watered, the soil seems excessively moist, your problem is likely overwatering. This can occur when you water when the top layer of soil is still moist, or when the pot or soil lacks drainage. You should never water when the top layer of soil is still moist. Allow the top 2 inches to dry out before watering again. Hope you liked the video. For more such videos, subscribe to this channel.